Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy PKB. Welcome to your favorite channel. Today, like something they worry my mind small, and I would love make you guys help me make understand the whole topic I get for you today because, like Mentase, I don't understand why one man for do something, we go praise him. This one they respect Boadier, but if another man do then we they criticize him, we they attack him. Like we know they spare him crowd. Yeah, the man is say wood to back to back because, like, why? No, like why for this so? Why say if one person do something, it be out of respect, but the other person do it, then you know they respect and the way he do himself, he go do to somebody else elsewhere for a man and all of that. No. I know the bad. You guys will help me understand this thing. See the whole problem you see. If you guys the kaya, as Shatta Wale go Jamaica, go perform with Vybz Kartel on stage on his Freedom concert because of course, king of dancehall, globally acclaimed, has come out of prison, and so as it be Charles Nyama and Godfather there, if I show up, the meet time and all of that, Shatta go perform, and say Shatta go perform, something happened. If you guys remember, Shatta go down on his knees, right? We show respect, out of respect, out of love for meeting his idol. Shatta went on his knees and idolized Vybz Kartel. Hey, Charles Nyama do this thing finish before he go reach Ghana self. Can't see. People start the attack. I don't know if it be SM fans. I don't know if it's Sack Nation. I don't know which fan base then they move to Charles Nyama like that. But people actually didn't like the idea that Charles Nyama has to go on his knees for his idol, for meeting his idol out of respect. We criticize this man, this man because they attack him one time. They understand where he stands. So if he come, saying live, he no go spare you. Valentine 14th, bye. We legendary Daddy Lumba also doing show. And Sarkodie showed up, performed, your wife self come, you go into the audience, go bring your wife Tracy come, we them catch vibes more and all of that. We at a point during the show, of course, it's a love theme show. Daddy Lumba, we know Daddy Lumba for all his amazing love songs he has released. So, as he do so, Daddy Lumba be one of the legends who paved the music journey for all these young artists that has come out. Without Daddy Lumba and all these great legends that we have, I don't think we'll be here, cheering to all this amazing music. So Sarkodie also did the needful by going on his knees to idolize Daddy Lumba. That one there, people say, hey, or be they do him out of respect, or be they do him out of love, or be they do him out of this, that. But say Charles Nyama mensa, or yet there, the end, the problem. I think. Why? Because of the own, and they say positive comments they go, people they praise Sarkodie, like almost comfort and all of that. Chale, munjai Sanyama no. Now both Sarkodie and Shatta Wale or them all they be one artist. So one person for no do something that you people go can't criticize. What is wrong with Shatta Wale having a Jamaican artist as his idol? He mustn't necessarily have a Ghanaian as his idol. Or Yacho baby say if you're a Ghanaian musician and you are starting from it, you have to choose a Ghanaian as your idol. No. So you see this kind of things, I SM fans, I don't think there should be a problem with this. First of all, criticizing Shatta Wale for going on his knees to appreciate his idol, Vybz Kartel, Palma Dija. No, you guys no try for that. You no try at all. But Obidi do there, Obidi Obuadiu, Obidi a good guy, Obidi yen out of respect, guys. Asemba munyabutre. Why? Asemba Mr. Munyabutre ne kroma ni ewo, kroma ya ni ewo. But kudos to both Sarkodie and Shatta Wale. Charlie, they are doing amazingly well. All we can do is to support them in whatever it is that they are doing. But say I know interest me and can. Of course, I will say I can. But say Nipa Minu have gone on their knees to idolize their legends, and one is receiving praises and the other is receiving criticism for doing that. No, that is wrong. It is the same gesture. It is the same thing. It's just that Sarkodie's own is Daddy Lumba and Shatta's own is Vybz Kartel from Jamaica. On the channel. Yeah, so let's all come together as one and let's keep supporting these artists because trust me, Sarkodie and Shatta Wale a few years from now will also become legends and they will also have people, idolize them. Somebody might choose somebody elsewhere. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, TSM fans, no. With the Mohamedia. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, let me know your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to this channel. We always have nothing but the best of content for you right here. Keep it locked. We'll be back on the next episode. My name is PKB. We are out.